In today's video, you will learn how to connect Formidable forms to your email marketing software and CRMs. And I'll be leaving a link to this documentation page for this tutorial in the description down below. Alright, so we're going to begin from our WordPress dashboard. I'm going to click on Formidable Forms. And here we have an option to add a new form by clicking on this button, or we can use one that already exists. So I'm going to click on Forms here on the left, and I'll click on Contact Us. Okay, so we have our form fields right here. And now we just want to go to the Settings tab. Next, we'll go to Actions and Notifications. And in the bottom right-hand corner, we'll click on Mail Opt-in. Alright, so once this tab opens, you just want to go to Select Integration, and here from this list, we're going to choose our email marketing software. In my case, it's MailerLite, but for you, it could be any other one. Alright, so I'm just going to click on this tab again to expand it, and now we need to map our custom fields. Let's go ahead and map the email address field first. We'll map email to email, and the next field that we're going to map is full name to full name. And we also need to select our email list from this menu. Now, in your case, you can go ahead and map as many email fields as you need, but for our demonstration, this is fine. Now, since we're good with all of this, I'm just going to go ahead and click on Update. Now, I'm going to add this form to a page via shortcode, so I'm going to click on the Embed button, and I'll click on Insert Manually. Then I'll copy this shortcode. Next, we'll go back to our dashboard. We're going to add a new post, and I'll just call this one Test, just to keep it simple. And I'm going to paste the shortcode right here. So once that is done, we can go ahead and publish our post. And once it's published, we can go ahead and click on View Post to view it. Okay, so now I'll fill this form with some random information. I'll submit it, and once that's successful, I'll go to MailerLite to see if our form data was transmitted. So once we're in MailerLite, I'm going to go to Subscribers, and here we'll look for the email that we entered. It's right here. So now we can see all of the information that we entered in the form. Alright, so now you know how to connect Formidable forms to your email marketing software and CRMs using Mail Opt-in. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.